In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your Roblox Premium. Really simple. So once you logged into your account, this is my profile here. We're going to go to Premium, which is on the left-hand side on this bar icon. Click on this option. Now here you can scroll down. You're going to just simply click on Get Premium, which is right in the middle. It'll just take it down to the bottom page for you. Now Premium does cost money, obviously. So select the Premium package that you would like to choose. We're just going to select the $4.50 or $4.50 each month, which is Australian $8.49. From here, you're going to select your payment option. So we're going to click on PayPal or credit card and then purchase that. So as you can see, we've just used PayPal to process that payment. As you can see, it says, please allow up to 5 minutes for the upgrades to take changes. And that is how you sign up to Premium. Now that will roll over every single month. So if you do wish to cancel this, I will leave a video up on the screen showing that how you can cancel this on your PC and or computer. If you have any questions, make sure you pop them in the comments below. That is all. Thank you for watching.